Hey everyone, we're going to practice The Lion Sleeps Tonight using this 4-beat pattern in a swing style. And if you're just starting out with this song, you may want to find the video for that strumming pattern so you can practice it first. Okay, I'm going to count to 4 and then we're going to start. 1, 2, ready, now. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. We on the And you'll notice I end with just one strum of C because we're in the key of C. Good job.